Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share how to service fire alarm detection. Here we have a fire alarm bell. This is electrical PLC GSB. I have a smoke detector, tester, and my multimeter here. So guys, as you can see, we have here alarm bell connected in series, guys. So guys, this is the alarm bell. So how to loop this bell? See guys, this is the input cable, guys. This cable is from the panel. It powers sounder 1. See, this is also line 1. We have line 2, guys. This one powers the bell here. It has terminals in and out, input and output towards the next bell. So guys, this is the line for detection. It powers the regulars 1, powers the detector number 1, detector number 2, regulars number 2, detector number 3, and last detector. So guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, I just urge you to subscribe so that you'll be getting educative content on daily basis. Once we drop a new content, we'll be able to get it. So guys, here we have my multimeter here. When you want to use it, you have to turn this arrow. Now it is in off mode. Maybe you want to test the continuity, guys, you need to turn it to ohms here. See guys, to ohms. Okay, now you show the 2 terminals. See guys, the reading. So guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video, guys. Watch this video until the end and learn more about fire safety measures. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. If you are new, thank you for joining my channel. Also, you can subscribe, press notification bell for the returning subscribers. Thank you for returning to watch my videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.